At Forests to Fortune, we're not just restoring tropical ecosystems, we're creating lasting change. By managing and restoring new areas, we generate long-term jobs in remote parts of the tropics, tackling poverty and supporting education. Every 100 hectares of restored forest can create up to 300 long-term seasonal jobs. With 900 million hectares of restoration potential worldwide, that's 270 million jobs in regions that need them most. Our Impact Investment Initiative, with its citizen participation component, bridges the gap between urban society and remote, biodiverse regions in the tropics. We provide a unique opportunity for anyone, anywhere, to invest in the restoration of degraded ecosystems with an 8x return. By restoring just half of the available degraded land in the tropics, we could protect 80% of threatened species and store 205 gigatons of carbon. That's the equivalent of taking 43.6 billion cars off the road for a year. But our impact goes beyond environmental benefits. We create an engine of economic development, empowering indigenous communities and supporting sustainable livelihoods. Through our Citizen Participation Initiative, anyone can become a stakeholder in these dynamic, biodiverse ecosystems. By investing in individual trees and forests, you're not just earning returns. You're contributing to the creation and management of thriving habitats. Join the Forests to Fortune movement and be part of a global solution. Invest in the restoration of tropical ecosystems, support sustainable livelihoods, and help protect our planet's precious biodiversity. Visit foreststofortune.com to learn more and start making a difference today.